Today's tropical weather update is brought to you by State Insurance Company Limited. Live in a better state of mind.
Good afternoon, I'm Tracy Spencer Lake, bringing you the latest tropical weather outlook. As we can see on the 7-day graphical tropical weather outlook from the National Hurricane Center, there are two areas of interest. The first area that we're having a look at is located well off the eastern coast of the United States and has a very low chance, 10% actually, of developing over the next 48 hours to 7 days. Of more interest to us is the second area that we're having a look at here that is moving towards the Windward Islands. It's about 1,000 miles away from the Windward Islands right now, and also has a low chance of development over the next 48 hours, but that increases during the next 7 days. We'll now have a look at the satellite imagery, and we can see two tropical waves across the central tropical Atlantic. The one closest to the Caribbean right now has a smaller area of convective activity, but this convective activity includes moderate to isolated strong convection, which means showers and thunderstorms. Following closely behind this tropical wave is a second tropical wave. This one is associated with the system we saw in the previous graphic, and this has a broad area of disorganized convection. It is moving towards the Windward Islands at a rate of about 15 to 20 miles per hour. Now, across the Leewards and British Virgin Islands, we see this band of clouds and convective activity moving up towards the northeast. This area is associated with a frontal trough and is responsible for the weather that we've been having for the last 2 days. We're going to now zoom in for a closer look at the Caribbean. We can see part of the convective activity associated with the tropical wave mentioned in the previous slide. The actions related to this tropical wave, the convective activity, and as well the tropical wave following closely behind it, aren't expected to reach the Windward Islands before late over the weekend, before moving into the Caribbean Sea next week. This area of convective activity, especially the one following closely behind it, is expected to bring heavy showers, gusty winds, and thunderstorms. So regardless of its development, it is expected to provide us with quite a lot of rain and showers. Now, across the Leewards and British Virgin Islands today is a lot of convective activity, which we're already familiar with the effects. We had some flooding across Antigua and other islands yesterday, and these showers and thunderstorms continued this morning. However, conditions are expected to improve later today into tonight, and relatively stable conditions should return to the islands by tomorrow before conditions deteriorate once again when the tropical wave moves in by around Monday or so. So, if you have any pictures or videos that you'd like to share with us, please send your pictures and videos to abmsiwatch@gmail.com. You can also follow us on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, or X. Call our hotline for the latest weather update at 463-4638, or you can visit our website at antiguamet.com. Continue to monitor with us and stay ready.
Today's tropical weather update has been brought to you by State Insurance Company Limited. Live in a better state of mind.